So, you're setting up your Shopify store, and you immediately hit that first big decision. Do you stick with a free theme, or do you take the plunge and invest in a premium one like Palo Alto? Well, today, we're going to do a complete, data-driven breakdown to see if that hefty price tag is actually worth your money. I mean, that's really what it all comes down to, right? What makes a theme $420 better than a free one? Is it faster? Does it have some secret features that are going to make you more money? That's the exact question we are going to get to the bottom of right now.
$420. Let's just let that sink in for a second. It's a serious investment for any e-commerce brand, whether you're just starting out or you're already scaling up. So let's get into the nitty-gritty and find out what you're actually getting for that price.
And here's how we're going to do it. First, we'll look at that big $420 question. Then, we'll put its performance to the test, uncover its money-making features, stack it up against the competition, and finally, deliver the final verdict. By the end of this, you'll know for sure.
Okay, first things first, performance. A theme can look absolutely stunning, but if it's slow and clunky, it's just going to kill your sales. It's that simple. So we took a clean, brand new version of Palo Alto and ran it through Google's PageSpeed Insights to see what we're working with.
And here are the numbers. A desktop score of 91? That's excellent. No two ways about it. But the number that really matters here is the mobile score, 71. In e-commerce, where most of your customers are probably shopping on their phones, that number is everything. Honestly, for a theme that's packed with this many features, hitting a good score right out of the box is seriously impressive. It tells you it's built on a really solid foundation.
Now that baseline score is just your starting line. From here, your final speed is really up to you, and that means you have to be ruthless with optimization. You've got to compress your images aggressively. Use a tool like TinyPNG. Make sure you enable lazy loading, which is right in the theme settings. And, do regular audits of your apps. Just remember, every single app you install adds more code, and more code can slow you right down.
Okay, now let's connect that performance directly to your bank account. A premium theme's real value, the thing you're paying for, is the built-in tools that can literally replace paid monthly apps and help grow your revenue. And this is where Palo Alto really starts to make its case. For starters, it has some powerful built-in features designed to boost your average order value. So instead of paying for a separate cross-selling app, you can seamlessly suggest other items right on your product and cart pages. Like suggesting the matching wallet when someone buys a handbag. Think about it. A decent cross-selling app can cost you $20, maybe $30 a month. This one feature alone could basically pay for the theme in just over a year.
You know what kills conversions? Friction. Anything that makes it harder for a customer to check out. Palo Alto attacks this problem head-on. The Quick Buy button lets shoppers add items right from a collection page, saving them a click. The slide-out cart keeps them in that shopping mindset without a jarring redirect. And back-in-stock alerts? That's a sale you would have completely lost, but now it's recovered automatically. And yeah, that's another feature that usually requires its own app, saving you another $10 or $20 a month.
Building trust is absolutely crucial, especially for premium brands. With this theme, you can embed product videos to show your stuff in action. You can use image hotspots to create this awesome interactive shop the look experience, almost like a high-end digital catalog. These little details give customers confidence and help justify a higher price for your products.
Plus, one of its biggest strengths is just how versatile it is. You're not just buying one theme. You're really getting 5 different styles all baked right in. You've got the classic Palo Alto, the bold Dynamo for action brands, the super luxurious Skylight, the clean, minimalist Phenomena, and the artistic Pluma. It's a fantastic starting point for pretty much any brand that relies on great visuals.
So, with all that said, how does Palo Alto actually stack up against the competition? I mean, to really understand its value, we need to see it side by side with some other top-tier paid themes and, of course, Shopify's best free option, Dawn.
Okay, looking at this table, the most important thing to focus on is that core strategic focus column. Each of these themes is built for a different job. Palo Alto is all about high-end visual storytelling. Impulse is a workhorse for big stores running lots of sales. Motion is for brands that lead with video. And then you've got Dawn. It's free and it is a lightning-fast minimalist foundation. Just look at that mobile score of 94. That incredible speed is the trade-off for its beautiful simplicity.
So really, it all boils down to this. Your choice completely depends on what your business's #1 asset is. If your most powerful sales tool is your professional photography and you want that premium, magazine-like feel for your store, Palo Alto is literally built for you.
But if your top priorities are a lean budget and just raw speed above all else, then Dawn is the perfect place to start.
All right, it's time to bring it all home for the final verdict. We're going to look at what real merchants are saying about their experiences and then give you our clear, no-fluff recommendation.
First off, the overall feeling out there is just overwhelmingly positive. A 94% positive rating on the Shopify theme store, that shows some incredibly strong satisfaction from the people who actually use it every day. That's a huge signal of its quality and reliability.
And when you dig into those reviews, the thing people praise most often isn't even a feature, it's the developer support. This quote from Apothecary87 is what you see over and over again. Merchants just rave about the fast, helpful support they get from the theme's developers, which can be an absolute lifesaver when you get stuck.
But of course, not every experience is perfect. Some users have definitely reported speed issues. This merchant from Daily Bloom felt the theme was slow, even after they removed their apps. It's a really good reminder that performance is complex. It can be affected by so many things beyond just the theme itself, like your hosting, how big your images are, and the apps you choose.
So here it is, our final verdict. Palo Alto is a top-tier investment for serious, visually driven brands that already have a library of high-quality photos and videos. If you're in fashion, beauty, or luxury goods, it delivers incredible value. However, if you're a beginner on a tight budget, or if your product photos are, let's be honest, kind of basic, you are going to struggle to make this theme look good, and that price tag just won't be justified. So let's just quickly recap the main points. Palo Alto has a really solid performance baseline right out of the box. Its built-in features can genuinely save you money on monthly apps. But, and this is the big one, your photos and videos have to be high quality for it to work. At the end of the day, it's an investment for serious brands who are ready to build a premium online store. Which brings us right back to that first question, but let's look at it in a new way. It's not just about the cost, it's about investing in the right tool for the job you're trying to do. So the final question I'll leave you with is this: is your brand story worth a premium stage?